You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word from Japanese in particular, meaning basically pudding or custard. And they're essentially trying to pronounce the word pudding. Therefore, the Japanese pronunciation pudding, 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 pudding is how you'd say it in Japanese, how to pronounce pudding. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.